Okay, so let's go ahead with the group discussion. Let's go ahead with the group discussion topic now. And the GD topic which I'm giving you, that is the actual GD which was conducted in IOCL on the basis of the feedback given by students. So please write the topic. The topic is, should offline classes be resumed in schools? Should offline classes be resumed in the schools? Should offline classes be resumed in the schools? So I will give you 2 minutes and then we proceed for discussion. Okay, so the topic I am given to you, those who joined late, is, should offline classes be resumed in the schools? That is the GD topic. Should offline classes be resumed in the schools? That is a topic for GD.
What is the topic, sir?
Okay, the topic is, should offline classes be resumed in the schools? Should offline classes be resumed in the schools? That is the topic. I think now we can start. So can I start from Vinay?
Yes, sir. So good morning, everyone. My name is Vinay Prabhakar, and I would like to start the group discussion on behalf of all of us. The topic given to us is if the offline classes should resume in schools or not. I think it's quite an interesting topic, and let's try to get some important points from all of us. According to me, offline classes should not resume in schools right now, because first of all, COVID-19 is a very big threat, and we have already seen what impact it has done to our country. We have already faced second wave after opening of the schools in the month of March, and I think we should currently not start offline schools right now. And if we talk about school exams, then everything can wait right now, because health of every person is the most important thing here, and every life matters. Also, it gives an opportunity to for our country to develop online infrastructure of our country in terms of education, because I think we had been lacking in it, and it is an opportunity to us rather than a drawback to develop very good online education system for our schools. On this note, I would like to open the house for discussion with all of you. Thank you.
Rituraj, unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rituraj. Today our topic of group discussion is should offline classes should be resumed in the schools. My opinion is yes, we should resume the schools for the kids, because it's nowadays it's very difficult for adults also to concentrate for long hours on online classes. So I think for students also offline classes should be resumed. And sir, schools are not only just because of education. Schools actually all the students which go to schools merely not everyone is very fond of education, but the kind of interaction they get in the schools with their friends and the overall their development of their overall personality, because they compete with one another. That is very good in offline schools for the students. And seeing on the sir, the COVID scenario, every student is not staying with their parents also, and each one of the parents is going to their offices and all. So talking about the risk, each and every student or kid whoever is living with their parents also, they are equally in same risk as everyone. So I think the school should be resumed, and although it's already 1.5 years the students are sitting at home, it's too late. So I think yes, we should resume our schools now and open my house for the other people to say what are their opinion. Thank you, sir.
Prakhar.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Prakhar Saxena, and I'm glad to take up the opportunity of introducing this group discussion topic to you all. We are basically given a topic that whether the offline classes of school shall resume or not. See, as in the corona pandemic, we have seen that online classes has become the new normal, and everyone has adapted to it or is trying to adapt to it. But it has some of disadvantages also, and therefore many people wish to switch back to offline classes. And that is where this discussion comes into picture. In my opinion, we shall analyze the consequences of offline classes. If they will happen, then what will be the positive things and what can be the negative outcomes. And on that note, I now invite you all to put forward your views.
Ankit.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अंकित अमन है। हम लोग को आज जो टॉपिक दिया गया है जीडी के लिए, शुड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस विल रिज्यूम इन द स्कूल। मेरे ख्याल से स्कूल को रिज्यूम कर देना चाहिए विथ प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशन लेते हुए, बिकॉज जो गरीब बच्चे हैं उसके लिए जो सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं वो फोन और अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइस जो प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पा रहे थे, वो उसके स्कूल बंद थे, और वो बहुत दिनों से मतलब 1 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए समय, उसके बाद वो मतलब स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था और उसका मतलब कोई भी किसी तरह का एजुकेशन नहीं हो रहा था। बट फॉर प्राइवेट स्कूल देयर आर वहाँ पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के ऑप्शन थे, वहाँ ले रहे थे। तो मेरे ख्याल से स्कूल को रिज्यूम कर देना चाहिए फॉर ऑल चाइल्ड, बिकॉज स्कूल जाने से ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होता है पर्सनालिटी का। आप सबको इनवाइट किया जाता है कि आप लोग अपना पॉइंट रखें जी।
Okay, now Shubham Saurav.
Yes, sir. So good evening, everyone. So I am glad to take the opportunity to discuss on like should offline classes will resume in school or not. So I think yes, offline classes should resume now, as we know that from a past year, like pandemic hits us so hard that a new trend has set to like set up online classes in online platforms. But as far as present situation, as mostly the vaccination is done, approx 40 to 50% first dose is completed, and I think most of the youngsters have get the vaccinations. So we should resume the offline classes by taking a precaution. Obviously, we will take a precaution and following guidelines of COVID. And like we could schedule it alternate schedule of classes, like one day some students are called and other day some students aren't called, because these offline classes are creating a lethargy among the students. They are socializing less to the students, and yes, hampering the overall personality of the students and even the discipline of the students. So yes, like I think that offline classes should be resumed. So I will put this, like open the house for all of you for the discussion.
Pulkit.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Pulkit. I'm glad to share the group discussion. Today's topic of our group discussion is should offline classes be resumed? Should offline classes be resumed? We can we can discuss this topic in different aspects. Like if yes, then why should ऑफलाइन क्लासेस भी रिज्यूम क्यों होना चाहिए ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रिज्यूम क्या इसके बेनिफिट्स है एंड अगर होता है ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रिज्यूम तो कैसे किया जा सकता है कैसे हम कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स को फॉलो कर सकते हैं कैसे हम हाइजीन मेंटेन कर सकते हैं एंड if no then what we should find the best alternative for this offline classes. So I open the floor to all come and discuss this topic and find best solution for this.
Sachin?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. This is Sachin Kumar, and I'm glad to introduce today's group discussion. That is, should offline classes be resumed or not? In my opinion, this is not the right time to resume the offline classes because the vaccination for the age groups of less than 18 years is not being started yet and yet to be approved by the officials. So in my opinion, this is not the right time to resume the offline classes. But there is also a possibility that we may start the offline classes with high precautions as per the health department. But in my opinion, I think that children are very irresponsible and they frequently break the precautions. So this is not the right time, but it is also very necessary to resume the offline classes as soon as possible. But we cannot compromise with the health of the children. So we may acquire the knowledge 1, 2, 3 years after if we have life. But if you don't have life, then what we will do of this education? So in my opinion, this is not the right time as the population, especially the children, are not get vaccinated. So this is not the right time, and I am opening the house for further discussion.
Okay, now Dheeraj.
Good evening, friends. So I'm glad to start our today's group discussion topic. That is, should offline classes be resumed in school or not? So in my opinion, I think it should resume now because there are so many reasons why it should resume, because this is hampering personality development of the students or children. And second, this must be resumed only on the basis of the protocol is followed, like if a strict protocol to be followed, and that to be taken care by both the responsibility, like parents should also take the responsibility to train his child to follow, to at least teach the basic thing that you have to go with the sanitizer and all, and teacher also should take the responsibility for that. So and why it should start children will get more of physical activities, like 1.5 year or two, maybe around 2 year it has been like schools are closed and children are mostly free. Even though online education is there, they just sit with the mobile, but they don't actually study, which they must. So in education sector, especially middle class or let's go by cities, like small cities and villages, the education which online has started doesn't have much impact. So that's why it should resume. And now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Vamsi?
Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to introduce the today's given topic, which is of quite relevance, as we have seen from last year that it has become a new normal of online education. So the given topic is, should the schools be open or not? First of all, we should discuss in two ways, like is it currently should we reopen, or since here there is no question of what is the use of reopening. As we all know, it is the children are lacking the benefit, like we know the cons of the online education, and children are lacking the understanding and stresses and everything. So we should discuss in the lines of whether it is the correct decision to viewing the severity of the situation. Is it right to open, or not? I would like to open the house for discussion.
Okay. So I think now everybody has introduced the topic, and now we enter into the second part where you have to discuss. Now let me tell you, we are going for IOCL, and as per our feedback, the discussion is going very smooth. And if the discussion is not smooth, coordinator is cutting you short. So I expect that we do the real rehearsal the way it is to be done in IOCL, and we do not cut each one. We don't go for parallel talking. We listen to others, we talk, and talk sufficiently. I'll give you sufficient time. There in IOCL, the timing is varying from 10 minutes to 25 minutes. So I'll give you sufficient time so that each one of you can give the points. Marks will be given to how relevant your points are, how relevant you are to the topic which is being given to you, and do you come out with some kind of real good consensus or solution for this. Though it is GD, we are not much interested in solution, but still you must speak such that you are sticking around the topic and you are giving some kind of solution as individuals. So before we conclude, this session should be very smooth. Now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Yes, गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। जैसा कि हमारा टॉपिक है कि ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रिज्यूम होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए, इन माय ओपिनियन इट शुड बी रिज्यूम, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों ने फोन से ज्यादा अपने पास को रखा है। लाइक वो सोशल मीडिया से ज्यादा जुड़ते जा रहे हैं, वो सोशलाइज नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब घर में ना किसी से बात करना, वो फोन से ज्यादा जुड़ रहा है। एंड आई थिंक इफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस,
Yes, you are right.
यू आर राइट, बट उनकी वैक्सीनेशन अभी तक हुई नहीं है। हमारे पास एक भी वैक्सीन अभी तक उनकी है नहीं।
उनके केसेस ज्यादा भी नहीं आए।
उनका वैक्सीनेशन होने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है, उनका वैक्सीनेशन होने का मतलब एक्चुअली दिल्ली में एम्स का रिपोर्ट आया था कि 10 बच्चों का टेस्ट मान लो हो रहा है, तो उसमें 8 बच्चे को पहले से कोरोना हो चुका है, तो नेचुरल एंटीबॉडी पहले से आ चुका है, नेचुरल एंटीबॉडी आ चुका है, और नेचुरल
नहीं ले सकते हैं बच्चों का लाइफ हम लोग, करना सही नहीं है।
Let's not create a mess over here, okay?
तो ये चीज वेरीफाई, ये चीज
let's divide the topic into two ways. First, we shall see if offline classes has to be assumed. If yes, then what are the benefits, and if no, then what are the risks and bad things. So we shall discuss in those two directions. First, let's discuss what are the benefits. If the answer is yes,
well, but we are not here to discuss whether it is beneficial of offline education or not, because
if it has to resume or if it does not have to resume, that we will decide on the basis of benefits only.
And yes, and if it will be resumed, like
here it was
what are the
question of
protocols
not benefits at all. That's
that we will
what
also discuss.
the topic is.
How will you conclude that it should be resumed or not based on the benefits only, na?
Based on the breadth we are having currently, that should be the given criteria.
Compared with the risk of life of a child who is maybe a 10-year-old child, we can't risk his life on behalf of some benefits of offline classes. First of all, some of you have said that in offline classes there is a better.
Actually, a school-going child में natural immunity है.
वैक्सीनेशन
के केस में आया है ऐसा कोरोना
सेकेंड वेव के पहले भी सिक्योरिटी की इम्यूनिटी वगैरह है, लेकिन सेकेंड वेव में बहुत हार्ड हिट किया हम लोग को। आई थिंक
देखो डाटा बोलता है,
कंसीडरेशन
डाटा बोलता
और एक
है,
सर्वे का डेटा आया है कि 90% चिल्ड्रन जो है ना बेसिक एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन भी भूल गए।
ऐसे कुछ भी बात मत करो ना, एक पर्टिकुलर लाइन पकड़ लेते हैं फिर उस पे डिस्कशन करते हैं।
पहले रिज्यूम वाला करते हैं। आई थिंक
पहले एक ये बोल लेते हैं,
let us discuss about whether it is the correct decision to open now or not, rather than why it will open.
Let's say that we are agreeing with this, that it should be resumed. Now, why we are agreeing that it should be resumed? Let's discuss those points. Okay? Now, everyone tell us what are the good things. Why it shall be resumed? Why? How are we justifying?
It is not due to the lack of good things that it was shut down. It was due to the death. So we should understand it first of all.
But tell me one thing. If you will invest 10 hours daily on an online platform, will your eye does not get affected? Will your mental health does not get affected?
Obviously it get affected.
अगर
So
we
how
we
मतलब
would
don't
you
thing is
able
हम
to
यहाँ
sit
पे
for 10 hours.
अगले एक दो
And
महीने
कोरोना
की
होने
बात
से
कर रहे हैं
जान
हम
कितना
अगले
बच
Actually,
जा रहा
school
है?
is not the only place which can spread the coronavirus. There are many other public places like cinema halls, libraries, gyms,
Yeah.
which
वहाँ
can
अगर
also
हो नहीं
spread
रहा
But
है
here
ना,
it
coronavirus.
becomes
the
mass
parents-
multiplier.
सिनेमा हॉल
That
में
is
एक एक
the
सीट लेके
main
बैठाया जा
क्योंकि
रहा है
health चला जाएगा
Why
तो
can't
बच्चे साथ में
schools be
खेलेंगे
open?
साथ में ट्रैवल करेंगे
that will become
वहाँ
so
पे ऐसा
hectic.
थोड़ी
स्कूल
है
जाने
कि
से कोरोना ही
restrict
खतरा
कोड पे
थोड़ी ना है, हमारे पेरेंट्स भी बाहर जाते हैं तो वहां से भी हमें कोई
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है।
घर में
पेरेंट्स आर
And
मैच्योर
especially-
पेरेंट्स मैच्योर
So
होते हैं
this is
अपना
against the
distance
team of
maintain करने
lockdown
के
and
लिए।
what
Children
we
are
are
very
doing
small.
these
We
many
should not
days and
like
all.
we should not teach students to following proper guidelines. That you are saying the thing.
वही
But
अपन
they-
डिस्कस
No,
वही पॉइंट
we
पे
can
आते हैं
teach
वापस से कि
them.
अपन रिज्यूम करना चाहते हैं
कि अगर आप
resume
स्टडी की
करना
बात
चाहते
करें तो
हैं,
स्टडी
इसका
इसीलिए
first
आई
reason
थी कि
क्या होता
थर्ड
है?
वेव है वो छोटे
ओके
बच्चों
ओके
को ज्यादा
सुनो,
इफेक्ट
दोनों
करेगी ये भी
प्रोस्पेक्ट
स्टडी
में हम लोग डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं।
कर लेते हैं,
पहले
वही मैं
एक काम करो,
मुझे
voting
लगता है
voting
ना
raise
एडवांटेज
the hand who
Voting वहाँ
wants to discuss that yes it will be resumed. Please raise the hand. There is a facility, raise the hand.
you can't raise hand
Like
there.
more
I
than
think we
50%
should
will be there,
Yeah, but
we will do
here we
discussion
have
there.
the facility,
you
but
can't raise hand there.
There also will be a
in-
facility, physical facility. We can do like this.
Okay, so let's first discuss
Yeah.
if it has to be opened. What are the reasons?
so the
So everyone
pros are like
can give their benefit.
overall personality development of the person.
Exactly.
Sorry, or
Yes.
children, not the person, like
The
children.
interaction part.
And
You guys are the
third,
interaction with other
second
students
one,
and the
like
communication with other
he
students.
will get more socialization. Like in home
Yes.
only,
Yeah,
he's
exactly.
being
moreover
friends.
in the learning as well, he will be
And more-
better learned, and the teacher will know whether like how much percentage he could grasp it or not as well.
But can I
Yeah,
counter
or-
that
अभी
point?
एक
And he
सर्वे
will-
आया हुआ
He
था
will become more disciplined. I think he will become more disciplined rather than
But
being
Yeah,
like
और
हर
वहाँ एक्स्ट्रा
like हर
करिकुलर
चीज-
हेलो
एक्टिविटीज
शुभम, तुमने वो
ये
एक पॉइंट
okay.
बोला था वो वैक्सीनेशन का, मेरे को वो पॉइंट क्लियर कर दो आप लोग एक बार कि आप लोगों ने बोला था कि चिल्ड्रंस के पास एंटीबॉडीज है। अगर आप लोग ये मानते हैं तो ये लास्ट ईयर फर्स्ट वेव से क्लासेस क्यों नहीं चल रही है? ये क्या एक महीने में जो एम्स का जो रिपोर्ट आया है ये एक महीने वो फर्स्ट वेव में ही क्यों नहीं आ गया था? मेरे को ये एक point clear कर दो।
first
टीचर भी
wave-
तो जा रहे थे।
एक एक करके मेरे को क्लियर कर दो, मेरे को समझ में
yes
नहीं आ
yes मैं
रहा।
क्लियर कर दे रहा हूँ ना।
Research
वैक्सीनेशन
check,
ओनली नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन दैट कि स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं लगा। वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव होता है। अगर 50% पॉपुलेशन को
Okay, but-
वैक्सीनेशन लग जाता है तो इट्स ऑलवेज अफेक्ट पॉपुलेशन आल्सो,
But there
क्योंकि
is
वो
not a single
वैक्सीनेशन का
vaccine for
वायरस है।
children for less than 18
Children के
years
लिए तो
till
अभी
now.
लगाया नहीं
Yes,
रहेगा।
we are not even
अभी
तक शुरू ही
having
नहीं
more
हुआ है इंडिया में।
vaccinations for
लगे
18
children को
minus
थोड़ी आप
because
बता रहा हूँ ना, 70 to 80%
is
एडल्ट्स को भी
pretty
लगा।
less.
बच्चे
चलेंगे
लगा तो कोरोना
दूसरे
के
topic
केसेस
पे,
कम हो
अपन
जाएंगे।
अच्छा जो
Friends,
personality
topic
development
से
का जो
भटक
point
गए।
आया
What we were
Yes.
discussing,
Back
we
to
were
topic.
discuss this
Personality development
What
पे मैं ये
we
बोलना
have to
चाहूंगा।
discuss.
तो
discussion.
हाँ
main
अपन
thing is
pro
the students
मतलब
should-
प्रोस
the school
डिस्कस
should
कर
be
रहे थे।
resumed.
We were
Advantage
discussing the
discuss
pros,
कर रहे
so
थे कि
let's
अगर
stick to
ओपन
that.
करते हैं तो क्या होता है।
I don't
तो
think
अपन ने
someone said
दो
कि
एडवांटेज
the government
डिस्कस
school
कर लिए हैं
also.
मेरा
already।
ये पॉइंट है
I
कि
will
अब
tell you-
वैक्सीनेशन
I
उनका
will tell
शुरू
you
नहीं
later
हुआ है
on,
तो
okay?
अभी
First
उनका
discuss
क्लासेस
this.
रिज्यूम नहीं होना चाहिए। मेरा ये पॉइंट है।
हाँ तो you will say like
Okay,
when we
you can-
discuss
You
the
know,
When we
you
will
know the
discuss
graphical
the
approach of
तब तक तो
virus.
बहुत ज्यादा
will
लेट हो
be the
जाएगा क्योंकि अभी
know-
बच्चे के
you
लिए
know
वैक्सीन
graphical
वगैरह
approach
बना
of
नहीं।
एजुकेशन का मैं
like
दो
क्या
चार
करूंगा
साल तो
कि
ऐसे ही
नहीं,
लग
मेरा
जाएंगे।
लाइफ
तब
as
तक
the
बच्चे का
time
जो है
goes ना, the
एजुकेशन
antibody
हम
will
लोग 3 साल बाद भी ले सकते हैं, बट हमारा लाइफ नहीं आ सकता है वापस।
वैक्सीनेशन हमें एक
Time
साल
जा
एक
कहाँ रहा है?
साल
3 साल में
मतलब
बहुत
ये
ज्यादा
साल
लेट हो जाएगा
कितने
एक्चुअली।
स्टूडेंट्स
तब तक
बताओ
बच्चे
कितने
जो
घट
आपने
जाएंगे,
पॉइंट रखा था
मैं
कि
3 साल
फिजिकली
बाद
कमजोर हो
कहाँ से-
जाएंगे।
होता है
क्या
ऑफलाइन
करूंगा
यही
मैं?
डाटा की
तो
बच्चों
यहाँ पे
कितने
हम
बच्चों
ऐसे
का
दूसरे
लाइफ
बात
का
दूसरे
discuss
आठ साल
करेंगे
की
ये
बात
सचिन।
नहीं हो रही है। अगले आज के
दूसरे
टाइम
part
पे
में
2 मंथ
सचिन,
बाद
मतलब
की
अपन
बात
जो
I think
Please
suicides
deviate
are
from the
more
topic.
suicides are more
Back.
prone than the
आई थिंक 2
coronaviruses.
मंथ के डिफरेंस में कोई बहुत पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट डेवलप नहीं हो जाएगा किसी में। अगर आज के टाइम में
2
हम
महीने नहीं
20,000 केसेस
2
पे हैं
months it's
और
not
2 मंथ
दो
वेट
months
करके
है।
अगर हम
I think
10,000 तक
more
आ
than
सकते हैं।
आप इन्हें
1.5
एक्चुअली
years
जो
हो चुके हैं।
हेल्थ इंस्टीट्यूशन से उन्होंने बोला है कि 1 महीने में उनका अप्रूवल आ जाएगा वैक्सीनेशन का। सो
हाँ, तो-
वी कैन डिले द
यस वी कैन डिले फॉर 2-3 मंथ्स आई थिंक
हाँ वही
बेसिकली।
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
They
ये
will
बताओ
get
ये
the
बताओ
vaccination,
ऐसे कर रहे हो
but
precautionary
it's
चीजें।
also
कोरोना नहीं होगा
Hello,
इसका कितना
not
percent?
admitting
guys.
for the time we cannot
First
I
of
have
all,
taken
let
vaccination
me
and I
point
got
out
the
this
corona.
thing. Let me point out that it is is
we'll
not
also
mentioned
discuss
in
with
the
that.
it is not mentioned in the question that we are to resume offline classes just now. There is no time limit. Maybe it's
Yes.
talking about
Yeah.
once the corona is over, then it is
So
talking
you
about
can't say that we are
that
talking about
situation.
2 years from now. We can definitely think about
Exactly.
3 months.
Exactly,
The
this cannot be the
Exactly.
valid
दो
point.
साल के
Not
बाद
like
भी
we
that.
can
It
delay
is
the
of current
Like
situation
Miss,
only.
right
we
now
can
the
delay
We have to discuss at
you all
current
are agree
current
that we
study.
situation
can
only we
delay
have to
the
discuss.
resume
अच्छा,
of the offline
डाटा
classes.
तो दो लाइक स्टूडेंट्स ही है तो स्टूडेंट्स कितने लोग मर रहे हैं मतलब कि हमारे एज के मतलब हमारे से कम ही एज के होंगे ना
एक भी अगर मर रहा है
चिल्ड्रंस
तो
का
हमें उसका ध्यान
But if
रखना
Fatality
we
rate,
चाहिए
you
कितने
keep
लोग
know,
on
मर रहे हैं वाली बात
relaxing
नहीं है।
Classes अभी
everything
तक
like
resume
that,
ही नहीं
you know
हुए
then
what
अभी
are the
we will not
online ही
mortality
have
चल
due
रहा
to
है
anything left.
coronavirus and do you know like what is the mortality rate due to mental
मेरे
problem
को ऐसा लगता है कि अपन को थर्ड
शुभम,
पॉइंट
this
डिस्कस करना
topic is
चाहिए।
यहाँ
not
हम लोग
related
सिर्फ
third
to
point
कोरोना
discuss
वायरस के
करना
बारे
है।
में
Why are
बात
you not
करने के
understanding
लिए
it?
नहीं है।
थर्ड पॉइंट डिस्कस करना चाहिए कि अपन रिज्यूम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ,
third
रिज्यूम
point
कर
क्या
रहा
होगा?
है या करना चाहिए
कि
या
अपन
नहीं?
We are
discuss
not
करेंगे उसको।
comparing
नहीं,
corona
नहीं
with
करेंगे
other
यार।
type
What
of
is the
Yes,
benefit
yes.
of resuming the
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
offline
Let's go back
classes?
to
हाँ,
what
थर्ड
has
पॉइंट
been
अपन
discussed.
डिस्कस करते हैं। तो थर्ड पॉइंट मेरे हिसाब से ये
Discipline.
होना चाहिए, डिसिप्लिन।
Actually,
ओके,
government
ब्यूटीफुल। फोर्थ वन यू विल डिस्कस
गवर्नमेंट
नाउ।
ने बहुत
एक
They
सारे
will
point
get
मुझे
बच्चे
लेना
involved
है।
in extracurricular activities.
Yes.
या
एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर
Yes, of course.
एक्टिविटीज एंड लैब एक्सपोजर। लैब एक्सपोजर नहीं मिल सकता ऑनलाइन में,
Yeah,
कितना भी अच्छे से।
Yeah,
लैब
yeah.
का जो
And
Extra
एक
एक्सपोजर
point ये
है
भी है कि
जो तुम्हें फिजिकली
जैसे
लैब
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो है ना, ये थोड़ा बड़ा एज ग्रुप के जो बच्चे हैं उन लोग के लिए तो चलो फिर भी बेनिफिशियल है, लेकिन जो बहुत छोटे हैं, जो फर्स्ट सेकंड क्लास
Yes.
के होते हैं, उन लोग को ऑनलाइन में हम बहुत
तो
सारी
first, second class
वैल्यूज और
वालों को
मैनर्स
उतना
नहीं
ज्यादा
सिखा
भी-
सकते हैं।
उनके
Even
लिए
Yeah,
we
ज्यादा
that
can't
was
teach them,
they were the
They were
ones
right.
severely
उन्हें
prone
और
समझ
ये
people
छोटे
who are
second
don't
class में
have
जाके भी
any
थोड़ा
benefits
cover
at
करते हैं
all.
actually।
तो हमारे देश
वो
की
वीडियो
youth
ऑफ
में
करके ऐसे
अगर
ही
उन्हीं पे
क्लास
हम
छोड़ के
वर्क
चले
नहीं करेंगे
जाते
तो
हैं।
आगे जाके हमारी पूरी जनरेशन ही खराब होगी।
और
तो
सेकंड चीज कि मतलब जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो जनरली ज्यादा इससे नहीं सीखते कि उनको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, उनको खिलाया जाता है। मतलब
हाँ,
कोई
वो
गेम्स
visual
दिया
ज्यादा
जाता है,
चाहिए।
उससे सीखते हैं।
Yes.
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स का
And they
इंटरेक्शन
also
जरूरी
get
है
to
ना।
interact with other
इंटरेक्ट करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे।
हाँ,
सोशलाइज
तो
होने के लिए,
interaction,
सोशलाइज वैसे ही
मतलब
होता है।
अच्छा शुभम,
games वगैरह अगर
तुम
नहीं
ये
Parents
बोल
are
रहे
also
हो कि
interacting in an
बच्चों का अगर
online
क्लासेस
medium. It
रिज्यूम
is
होता
also
है, एक्चुअल मैं
interaction
फेवर
medium.
में नहीं हूँ, मैं पहले ये क्लियर करता हूँ, मैं फेवर में नहीं
हाँ,
हूँ कि
नहीं
उनका
हो तो
क्लासेस
आपके
होना
Okay,
पॉइंट
चाहिए।
लिए
नहीं
जाएंगे।
हुआ
सुनो
सही
सुनो,
है।
जो
Accept
फेवर
that
में
you are
नहीं
not
हो
in
उसको
favor,
भी
but-
मौका मिलेगा बोलने का, उस टाइम बोलना ना प्लीज।
आप
वही
हाँ,
तो बोल
अपन
रहे हैं
दोनों
ना।
दो भाग
अभी
में
जो है
क्योंकि
फेवर
हम
में
अच्छी
उसका
चीजें
पॉइंट
डिस्कस
आपके
कर रहे
चार
हैं।
points हो
अगर
गए,
आपके
आपको
पास
favor
कोई
add
अच्छा
करना है।
पॉइंट है
ये
तो
अपना
वो दे
पॉइंट
दो।
रखना।
अच्छा, मैं
हाँ,
एक पॉइंट रखता हूँ, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए, इसको आप लोग क्लियर कर दो।
हाँ,
हाँ,
ठीक है?
वो
होना
हम
चाहिए, इस पे रखो।
आएंगे
ये
नेक्स्ट,
जब हम
बट
discuss
ये
करेंगे
पहले
आएंगे,
जो
वो
तब
नहीं
हम
होना
अपना
चाहिए
point
I
पहले।
have one point, please clear me
Resume-
this doubt that yes, children
Yes.
are highly responsible. They break the corona norms very frequently. You all are agree with this? तो आप
Yes.
इसको कैसे डील करोगे? अगर
You can-
रिज्यूम हो जाती है तो आप इसको कैसे डील करोगे? How you deal this?
bro, this
Well,
is one
every
of the
other
point.
situation
You know,
like
you
offices
know,
and
the
all are all
psychology,
being
the
resumed,
psychology of
so
the psychology of the
everyone is
person
equally
We have
prone and
decided that it
responsible.
less
has to
prone
be
in
zoomed and we
less
will
than
plan
17 years
the
of
base
age.
alternative in which we
Not
can
every student is
plan the
indisciplined.
classrooms.
Only few students are
Only
indisciplined.
few.
आप लोगों ने
Yeah,
देखा होगा
that's what my point also कि only
बच्चे
few.
होते हैं
हाँ,
Children will never think कि अभी कोरोना वायरस है तो हम लोग को सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है. They will play their usual games like
सब
yes,
जानते हैं
And
कि
that
but
is
we are
what
not
we
telling them to
have
maintain
Actually,
so
अभी
that is
country
the
में
benefit
कहीं भी
of
social
offline education,
distancing
like
नहीं होता,
everyone
क्योंकि कोई
is
बिल्कुल
चीज
लोग
नहीं
कह
trying
रहे हैं
to
कि हमारे
everything
ग्रुप
that
वाले भी हर जगह
देखो,
फॉलो कर
कोरोना
रहे हैं।
is
अगर आप
like a
मेट्रो में
virus.
जाओगे तो वहाँ
It
खड़े
is in
होना
the
मना है, सब
air.
लोग खड़े होकर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है, you
तो
should have
हमारे
to
ग्रुप
maintain
मेंटेन
your
नहीं कर रहा
hygiene.
तो
वो
बच्चे
तो
क्या करेंगे?
एडल्ट्स ट्रैवल
अभी
करें
कहीं
सोशल
है ही
डिस्टेंस
नहीं।
मेंटेन करके, चिल्ड्रंस
how
नहीं
ca-
करते हैं. मैं
Children
ये
अच्छा,
बोल
how
रहा
could
हूँ
you
कि
say that
एडल्ट्स
people
फॉलो
will still
करें.
remain
कैसे
in a
करोगे?
house? There is
एक
no
दिन
कोरोना
करेंगे,
corona.
दो
वजह
दिन
से
करेंगे, तो
सारे
कहाँ
का
फॉलो
लाइफ
Not a
रिस्क में आ
corona.
जाएगा.
अरे
Sachin,
let's
I
come
think we
back
should
to what we
yes,
were
yes, yes,
discussing.
let's discuss.
Sachin,
अभी
Sachin,
सनी वाला
one
बोलेगा तो नहीं
example I
सुनेंगे।
want to give.
Sachin, why are you
One-
sticking
वहीं पे
to
नहीं
only
पहुंचेंगे।
coronavirus?
No, no, no.
Yes,
One
yes.
I'm
example
not
I want to give.
speaking
Because the
offline,
main-
क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस
main
इसलिए
problem
हो
is
रही
it
है
is
क्योंकि
only.
कोरोना है. ऑनलाइन
हाँ.
क्लासेस इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि
Yeah.
कोरोना है. हाँ,
बिल्कुल।
मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि
हाँ।
अभी
बात
जब
रखा है।
Current
वैक्सीनेशन नहीं
scenario
होता है
is
तो
that
फिर
like
I
it
think
was
पहले ना
very
इसी पे
There
डिस्कस
should be
कर लेते
proper
हैं।
ऐसा
guidelines
रहेगा,
मैंने
ऐसा
कहा
कभी
तो
नहीं होगा कि
students-
कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा।
For resuming their schools.
गाइस पहले
is
ना इस
not
पे डिस्कस
written
कर
in the
लेते कि
question
रिज्यूम
that-
नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है, पहले इसी पे डिस्कस कर लेते क्योंकि तुम लोग नहीं करने दे रहे हो, तो पहले इस पे डिस्कस कर लेते कि रिज्यूम नहीं होना
Okay.
चाहिए।
ओके, सो
हम
मेरा
लोग
ये
ऑपरेट
कहना है
करेंगे,
कि
ओके?
सबसे पहले हम
बोलो।
ऐसा कर ले रहे हैं कि
हाँ,
Yes.
अभी
बोलिए।
नहीं रहना चाहिए, 6 महीने बाद करना चाहिए। एक तो ये हम मान ले
ठीक
रहे
है,
हैं, उसके बाद
Okay,
अब
ठीक
6
है,
महीने बाद हम
ठीक है।
करेंगे अगर, तो कैसे हम
हम्म।
क्या प्रिकॉशन रखेंगे उस पर डिस्कस करते हैं कि
Why
अभी
not,
6 महीने
bro?
बाद करेंगे, 6
क्या-
महीने बाद हम कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे?
आई
मैंने
थिंक
percentage वाला की
मतलब
comment
प्रिकॉशंस
दिया था।
नहीं है,
मेरा
प्रिकॉशंस
क्वेश्चन
का
ये है
क्वेश्चन
कि
है ही
क्यों
नहीं।
नहीं, अभी क्यों नहीं?
क्वेश्चन है कि रिज्यूम होना होना चाहिए या नहीं?
क्योंकि अगर
ये
आज
नहीं
के
बोला
दिन
गया कि
में-
कैसे होगा
हाँ,
तो कैसे
मेरा
करना है, ये
वो बात
क्वेश्चन
भी
नहीं
नहीं
discuss
है।
करना है।
तो 2
तो
साल
फिर बात ये है
जो
कि
है
आज के
क्वेश्चन उस
जब
पे बात
सेकेंड वेव
करो।
के टाइम में स्कूल्स खुल रहे थे उस टाइम पे केसेस कम हुए थे,
हाँ।
फिर वापस से लोगों ने वही कहा कि नहीं हम तो मतलब हर किसी भी कोरोना हो चुका है, इतने लोगों के हो चुका है, चल जाएगा, लेकिन फिर केसेस बढ़े 4-4 लाख 5-5 लाख केसेस
अच्छा,
ऑफिशियली
तो
आए हैं,
प्रीवियस
अनऑफिशियल तो हमें पता भी
डाटा
नहीं है।
में ये तो पता चला ना कि सेकंड वेव सबसे लंबा होता है, इससे पास्ट रिकॉर्ड जितना
तो फिर
वायरसेस का
भाई
इम्पैक्ट
स्टडी
आया
में
है।
तो ये भी पता चला है कि थर्ड वेव में स्टूडेंट सब चिल्ड्रन को सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट होगा, ये भी तो हमें
Yeah,
पता चला
but
है।
the
ये नहीं,
और
यही
उन्हीं लोगों
नहीं
को
श्योर
वैक्सीन
हुआ।
नहीं लगी है।
तुमने
But
एम्स का
नहीं,
रिपोर्ट
शुभम,
नहीं
ये
पढ़ा है?
श्योर
अभी
है
तक
कि
आज के
उसमें
टाइम में
चिल्ड्रंस
स्टडी
पढ़ो,
डाटा नहीं मिल
होगा,
पाएंगे।
जिसके चलते
ये
ऐसा नहीं हुआ है,
दिल्ली,
ये
राजस्थान
अफवाह था।
एंड महाराष्ट्र
वैक्सीन
में
लगने वालों
स्टेशंस
को
पे
2-2 बार भी
प्रिकॉशंस लिए
कोविड
अगर
गए
ऐसा
हो
होता
चुका
ना
है।
तो
हैं।
वैक्सीनेशन
चिल्ड्रंस के
ड्राइव
स्पेशल
चिल्ड्रन के लिए
कोविड
पहले
सेंटर
शुरू
बनाए
किया
गए।
जाता।
चिल्ड्रन के स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ
ऐसा
ना
नहीं था,
अभी का
ऐसा
डाटा
नहीं
ये
था।
बोलता है,
एम्स का
see,
रिपोर्ट आया, मैं भेज दूंगा।
see,
एम्स
हाँ,
का रिपोर्ट आया।
okay,
Nowadays,
वो
but
that is
I-
different.
Please
मतलब
keep
everyday
the
we
data
see
of the
that
छोड़ के।
70%
We have not to
population
fight
is-
here, friends.
ऑलरेडी खुलना शुरू हो गया है,
We
बच्चे
have
को
to
पेपर
discuss the
में बुलाया जा रहा है।
topic.
ऐसा नहीं
देखो
कि
टॉपिक
आजकल स्कूल
एक
खुल
मिनट
भी
सुनो,
गए।
ये टॉपिक डिस्कस करो को अभी नहीं खुलना चाहिए तो क्यों नहीं खुलना चाहिए, दैट वाज द पॉइंट। कैसे खुलना
Yeah.
चाहिए
Okay.
इज नॉट अ पॉइंट,
That's the
क्यों
point.
क्यों नहीं
Yes.
खुलना चाहिए, बस ये
ये
पॉइंट
नहीं
दो।
लिखा है कब खुलना है, कितने महीने बाद, कितने साल खुलना, बस
Yes.
ये हमें हमें
बताओ
बताना
खुलना
खुलना
मैं
अभी
चाहिए
कह
या
रहा हूँ
नहीं
कि अभी
खुलना
खुलना
ऑनलाइन
चाहिए।
चाहिए
खुलने
कि
का
It's a
कोई
नहीं,
मतलब
topic.
नहीं है,
point.
क्योंकि अभी कोविड के 20,000 अगर केसेस हो रहे हैं तो हम 2 मंथ और वेट कर सकते हैं, वैक्सीनेशन और हो, चिल्ड्रंस के लिए भी स्टार्ट हो जाए, उसके बाद
अभी
और केसेस कम
नहीं,
हो जाएंगे, तब स्टार्ट हो
अभी
Yeah,
जाएगा ना।
but there
अभी
was
इतना
अभी
not
खुलना
many
नहीं
इमरजेंसी
cases
चाहिए तो
now.
इतनी
Here
बड़ी
also
फिर
correct.
डिमेरिट्स
You
नहीं है
cannot
कि
say that
ऑफलाइन
cases
क्लासेस
will
को
पॉइंट्स
reduce.
अब दे
It
नहीं
can
रहे
प्रेफर
तुम
करें।
reduce and it can increase also.
Yeah.
सेकंड
Okay,
पॉइंट
so now we go for
2
conclusion.
पॉइंट्स दो
Okay,
हो गया।
friends, now we go for conclusion. So Vinay, starting from you. Go ahead.
Okay, so I would like to conclude the group discussion on behalf of all of us. I think we had a very good discussion and all of us came up with very different views. And according to us, offline classes have very much benefits, but at current situation, online classes are the need of the hour because of the situation in which every children's life is at risk. And meanwhile, it is important that we also develop some infrastructure of online mode, and in later of a few months of time we can in a precautionary manner and a systematic manner start the offline classes also. And some of us also gave very important points in this topic also. And on this note, I would like to conclude the discussion on behalf of all of us. Thank you.
Okay, Rituraj.
Thank you, sir. Sir, from this kind of discussion, I think a majority of the people are saying that we should open the schools. The school should be reopened from now onwards. But along with opening the schools, there should be actually some guidelines which the students should follow and the teachers should also follow. For example, so they should be someone said that alternate classes. Shubham said that the alternate students should be called in alternate days of the alternate students should be called an alternate type of days. So this can be social distancing can be maintained because already COVID-19 schools are opening nowadays. So the overall discussion is up to this only that the school should be reopened. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Prakhar.
Good evening. As we have come to the end of this discussion, sir, to conclude, I would like to say that our group was divided on the topic. Some people were of the views that it should be resumed, while some people were strongly recommending that it should not resume. The arguments got heated up in between, and we also debated from the topic, but some people put some very nice points related to why it should resume. And that's it, sir. We were not able to reach a consensus.
Okay, Ankit.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने मतलब बोला कि स्कूल को रिज्यूम करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे जो है चाइल्ड का ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होता है और चाइल्ड का हेल्थ भी सही रहता है, क्योंकि स्कूल में फिजिकल प्ले होता है और विलेज में एक्चुअली बहुत कम कोरोना केसेज ना के बराबर है, तो वहाँ पे जो है ना गवर्नमेंट स्कूल को ओपन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ केस कम है, तो वहाँ पे अच्छे से स्कूल चल सकती है। और भी बहुत सारे मतलब पॉइंट है, लेकिन हम लोग कैलकुलेशन पे नहीं पहुँच पाए एक्चुअली। सो
Shubham.
Yes,
Shubham.
so yes, sir. So after like discussion, we don't come to the conclusion, but yes, as like say to like सबको मनाना सर इतना ये नहीं होता, but yes, majority माने तो उसके थ्रू जितना डिस्कशन हुआ उसको मैं conclude करना चाहूँगा. Like yes, like we should open like resume the schools, because yes, it's creating a lethargy among the students. It's socializing less, and yes, overall personality growth also decreases of the students. They're also creating a discipline problem, and yes, the like different like labs and social activities are also disturbed. So we can said like it's also like we are in spending more time in on screen. It's also creating a health problem. So corona is not itself like it's creating a health problem. There are other problems related to the online education as well. So we should start like schools by following some guidelines of COVID, like alternate schedule of classes, and yes, regular checking of body temperature of the students who are coming to the schools. So that is like the majority conclusion that majority people are doing. But yes, 1-2 people are strongly recommending like not supporting us, or it's creating a heat in the like in the discussion. So thank you on behalf.
Pulkit.
Yes, sir. We had a very good discussion. Different people had different views. I mean, majority of people was said that ऑफलाइन क्लासेस शुड बी रिज्यूम्ड क्योंकि बच्चे जो है वो लेथार्जिक होते जा रहे हैं और उन्हें लैब की सुविधा भी नहीं मिल रही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में एंड वो सोशलाइज नहीं हो रहा है और फिर अगर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रिज्यूम होती है तो वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में पार्ट लेंगे और उनकी ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस है वो बढ़ेगी एंड सम पीपल said that no, it should not be resumed क्योंकि they will get affected by corona. But I can, in my opinion, कोरोना से ज्यादा हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ये भी हो सकते हैं कि बच्चे की आंख खराब हो सकती है एंड आई कैन से दैट मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स who don't have the phone, they can't avail the online classes. So हम लोग अच्छे कंक्लूजन तक नहीं पहुंचे बट हमारा डिस्कशन यही था. थैंक यू.
Sachin?
Okay, sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity to conclude today's group of discussion that should be offline classes be resumed or not, and we came to a conclusion that it should be resumed as soon as possible, but including some delay till the vaccination for the population less than 18 years be done. So we came to a conclusion that classes must be offline classes must be resumed, but we should wait for the third wave of the coronavirus and till the vaccination for this particular age group must be done.
Now, Dheeraj?
I would like to conclude on behalf of all the participants. So we had a very fruitful discussion, but we could not come to the conclusion, but majority of agreed with that it should be resumed, and the other party also put a very valid points like why it should not be resumed. So as majority agreed on the it should resume, so we had a point why it should be resumed. So there are 5-6 factors we came out, like it increases socialism, like which they are lacking, lethargy उनका चला जाएगा, ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होता है और एक इंटरेक्शन होता है, सोशलिज्म बढ़ता है उनका, and they get the facility to lab and other things which is online impossible kind of thing. But other people also put the very valid point, because it's like third wave is going to be for children, so that is also concern. So vaccination also should be increased or should be parallelly go on to resume. So I would like to conclude like that. Thank you.
Vamsi?
We had a great discussion about the topic, and majority of us have reached the consensus that we should resume the offline classes and now. And we also had seen the situation severity has become less, and even there are side effects of online classes. So majorly we have came at the conclusion of reopening the starting the offline classes, although few were disagreed about opening them now.
Okay, so I think everybody is concluded. See, I think you are even conclusion you are giving differently. Vamsi is saying we reached a conclusion and everybody agreed that we will open the school, and some of you are saying
I said majority, sir.
So majority, I don't think so. That is a conclusion. It is not by majority actually. You have to reflect both the opinions, Vamsi. You have to say that some of the members were not in favor of this, and though a majority of people were of this opinion that it can be resumed, but we could not reach the consensus. Means all the people almost. That is called consensus. Consensus is not by majority. Let's say there are 7 in the group, and suppose 4 say that yes and 3 say no. That is not consensus. Consensus is okay, everybody agrees ke theek hai, karte hain, open karte hain. That is how what the consensus is. So you have reached no consensus as per my understanding, the group. So in this kind of situations, you know, the conclusion can be like, okay, friends, we had a discussion here, everybody gave the point, everybody participated, that was the best part. But the discussion went in 2 directions. Some of one in the favor of opening, some were against the opening of the schools, and they gave different reasons. So I must say that we have reached no consensus. Now let me conclude. Those who were saying in favor, they were of the opinion like this, and those who were saying no, they were in opinion of this. So that is what we have discussed, and end it up. That's it. You need not to reach the consensus. GD. In GT, you cannot afford to not reach consensus. There you have to provide the solution if it is group task. But if it is a group discussion, you reach no consensus, not a problem at all. You have to talk. Now let me first give you the feedback about each one of you, and then we come to overall discussion of the topic. So I must say, those of you who are talking, they're talking informal. Like you say, Shubham, Saurav, Pulkit, she's talking, Shubham, Saurav is talking, and then Prakhar. You people are talking, but you're talking in informal way. In group discussion, no, you are to talk formally. The way there's always a way to make somebody stop. You are not to use words like bro. You are not to laugh. Like Pulkit continuously was smiling or laughing. So during discussion, you have to prevent those kind of things. You know, you need to maintain very formal situation there, not informal situation. It is not discussion among friends. You need to understand that. It is a formal setting in which you are talking, and you are talking about executives, other executives, and they may not be known to you. So you need to strictly maintain that executive wala, their situation there. So don't be informal, whether Hindi or English, whatever you say, don't be informal. There's always a way to stop somebody, and you cannot say, see, don't create a mess here. Let's talk properly. Don't do that. That is the role of coordinator. You are not supposed to do that. So just maintain your smoothness. And if somebody is creating chaos, maintain smoothness. I'm also going to observe your behavior. You are not to be arrogant. You are not to be, rude to anybody. You are not to be, disrespectful to others, and you are not to basically use those harsh words. So don't do that. And those of you others now, let me tell you who are in the red zone, little bit red zone, those who are not speaking actually. Like I found even Sachin, because you are not visible, so that is also a part. Sachin can speak, but he's speaking less. Dheeraj can speak very well. He spoke a couple of times very well, but speaking less as of now. Ankit, very less you spoke, Ankit. And Vamsi gave the points, very relevant points, but Vamsi is speaking less. And Rituraj can speak, but Rituraj is not speaking. So in this discussion, Rituraj, whenever Rituraj was speaking, it was not audible. I mean, he's parallelly talking. और ऋतुराज जो बोल रहा है उसकी voice वो सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. People are not in position to listen what Rituraj is saying. Vamsi जब बोल रहा है तो सुनाई दे रहा है, because Vamsi is not entering with sentences. He is entering with words and is entering with very good points. So Vamsi is audible, but Vamsi बहुत कम time के लिए, very less time he is entering, and Ankit is not entering at all, and Ankit is having inertia as of now. Dheeraj is entering, but I want that frequency to be more. Sachin, because he's invisible, so Sachin, it is difficult for you to, so you are invisible and that gives you inertia also. So Pulkit is entering again and again, she is audible also, but Pulkit maintain formal behavior, Shubham maintain formal, Prakhar maintain formal. That is what I'll say feedback to each one of you. Now work on that actually. And there you will get chance. There you will get chance to talk sense, talk properly. Now, as far as these kind of topics are concerned, no, in these kind of topics, you can never reach consensus, because some people will take one side, another will take another. And why don't you think of some middle path in such topics? There is always a middle path. So let's say if you have to start it, the best way can be like this. Okay, good morning, friends. I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. You take the opportunity. The coordinator is not going to give you opportunity. So practice these lines. Okay, good morning, friends. My name is Ankit and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. Okay, friends, the topic for the discussion today given is offline classes in the schools should be resumed or not. There is a topic. In my opinion, very relevant topic. And I'm very sure that all of us have very good, valid points to give for this particular topic. So, friends, I think we should discuss this entire topic in under 3 sections, 3 headings, 3 broad categories. Number 1, we should talk if the school should be resumed, why it should be resumed, and what are the reasons in favor of that. Second, if we think that it should not resume, then what are the pressing conditions or reasons why it should not resume. And third is, if it is to be resumed not fully but partially, then how can it be done? So middle path. If we think that okay, let's partially resume it, then how it is to be done. Now, friends, you all will agree with me that India is a very vast country. Different states, different divided into cities, rural areas, population. So the situation everywhere is not same. Somewhere situation, like we talk about Kerala, we talk about Himachal Pradesh, where there are more cases coming. Some places cases are not coming at all. So we need to also consider that diversity. We also need to see that some places are very safe now. and that factor also is to be considered. So there can be some areas in India where we can think of fully opening. There will be some areas where we will say, okay, not at all to be open. And then maybe majority of areas where we can suggest that, okay, partially open. Now I open the house for discussion among all of you. You know, whenever you think of these conditions, okay, let's open. Some are saying not open. There is always a middle path. No, why can't you take that? And why don't you take all the parameters into consideration? You're technocrats, you know, the purpose I give you GD or GT is to know your dimag kitna chal raha hai, in which direction it is going. How can you treat entire India in a similar way? How can you put everything into same category? Okay, open, not open. It is not white and black always. It can be gray side also, right? Black and white and make it gray, and that may work. So think of middle path, partially opening. And then what are the favors now? ये तो introduction कर दिया. अब जैसे introduction के बाद body part में you enter, now keep on filling these sections, keep on filling these categories. Okay, those who are in favor of opening, friends, tell me why it should be open. Okay, the most pressing condition is socialization. Students at home are getting lethargic, as you said. They are not having physical activities. They are not having socialization. It is going to impact not only their physical health, but mental and psychological health also. They need to interact with the peers. They need to come in contact with the formal school setting. As it is said that teachers are the parents in the school, and the parents are teachers in the school. So for the last 2 years, we have only seen parents as a teacher in home. Parents are serving as a teacher in the home. But what about the teachers who will be parents in the school? Children are missing that particular part. So they need to be in contact with that. That is the most pressing condition why students should now go to the schools. Yes, so all these are in favor. Now, what are those not in favor? Why? Because health is the most important. So friends, you will all agree with me that if I give the priority, socialization, physical health, you know, mental health and everything, most important is the safety. So safety cannot be compromised. If we get to know that, okay, there can be COVID fear in the school, I will not send my child to the school. Socialization may be at the back burner. So because of that, if there is a fear, schools cannot be opened. It is not whether should be opened, it cannot be opened. Even government will not permit it. School authorities will not permit it. So that is the most strong factor. And why that will happen? Because now children have not been immunized. They have not basically vaccinated. Only 18 plus. 18 से कम vaccination नहीं हुआ है. थर्ड वेव अगर चिल्ड्रन के ऊपर आ गई तो नहीं खोला जा सकता. थर्ड, हम बात तो करते हैं कि हम कोविड बिहेवियर विल प्रोटोकॉल्स विल फॉलो, but do you think implementation can be done that strictly? Maybe not everywhere, maybe not in every school. So that is another fear why it cannot be done. So that is another fear why it cannot be done. So yes, safety is priority. They are not vaccinated and protocol may not be followed. So school cannot be open. Now think of middle path. Think of middle path. So school in their wisdom can call, if not class of 30, they can call class of 10 students. Not every day, they can call 3 days. So that particular permutation combination, school is to think, parents is to think. And you know, friends, I want to bring to your notice that schools have started showing the initiative. They are asking the permission of parents. Consent of the parents is being taken and parents are giving also. So partially we have seen schools are opening up and that is a successful model also. So let's converge to something like this, that wherever the situation permits, open it. When I say partially, it can be 70%, 80% open, if not 100%. Whenever situation is not permitting, reduce it to 10%. So let's play safe so that we should not compromise with the safety and life of the children. But yes, we have to make a balance because it is too long a period now. We need to make a balance. So with this, I end up the discussion. ये आपको points बोलने हैं, बहुत ही systematic सारा discussion. Don't think only between white and black. Think of yes, there can be middle path also. Now, anything you want to ask me related to this topic?
सर, आपने जैसे स्टार्टिंग में 3 डायरेक्शंस दी, ऐसे हमने भी इंट्रोडक्शन में दी, बट ग्रुप के मेंबर्स उस डायरेक्शन को मान ही नहीं रहे हैं, वो रैंडमली डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
स्ट्रांग रिपल्शन में केसेस में क्या करें? जैसे बहुत स्ट्रांग रिपल्शन आ रहा था,
कन्विंस नहीं करवा पा रहे हो ना. आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, यू आर नॉट इन पोजीशन टू कन्विंस. लाइक आई टेल यू, वामसी सेइंग कि टॉपिक इज नॉट के इट्स गुड और बैड. टॉपिक इज लाइक खुलना चाहिए कि नहीं खुलना चाहिए. तो आप लोग कन्विंस नहीं करवा पा रहे ना किसी को. आई थिंक many places you people are basically giving the logics but others are not agreeing to those logics. तो आपके logics weak हैं कहीं ना कहीं, आप दूसरों को convince नहीं करवा पा रहे हो. जो मैंने भी सुना तुमसे, तो इसलिए रिपल्शन आ रहा है। अगर आप स्ट्रांगली बोलोगे कि सी आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट ओपनिंग इट, बट डू यू थिंक एंटायर इंडिया कैन बी ट्रीटेड सिमिलरली, आज का क्वेश्चन है यार। तो आप लोग सुनेंगे आपका लॉजिक जब आप बोलोगे। सी यू कैन मेक समबडी साइलेंट ओनली थ्रू लॉजिक, आई टेल यू दैट, ओनली थ्रू क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपके पास लॉजिक कुछ नहीं है, एज अ टीचर आई हैव अंडरस्टूड वन थिंग, इफ यू स्टैंड ऑन इन द क्लास एंड इफ यू टीच सेंस, अगर आप अच्छी बात पढ़ा रहे हो तो स्टूडेंट चुप होकर सुनेगा। लेकिन इफ यू आर ओनली टीचिंग नॉनसेंस, स्टूडेंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन। सेम इज इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन, कि जो आप में से बात बोलेगा और काम की बात बोलेगा और अच्छी बात बोलेगा, लोग उसको सुनेंगे। लेकिन अगर तुम्हारा लॉजिक नहीं है, तुम्हारे बात में लॉजिक नहीं है, तो वो अपने लॉजिक बढ़ाता रहेगा और फिर आपका वो क्योस फैला रहेगा। So you need to silent others through your logics. That is the point. Not only by raising the voice. It is not there. So I did not find a very strong reasons from your sides. You were sticking to your point, and there is another reason why people don't listen to you, because you don't listen to them. So when somebody is saying, okay, they should not be open. Okay, Ritu, I agree, it should not be open. But can you give us some strong reason why it should not be open? And Ritu, do you think that it is uniformly for entire India, or is there any situation, Ritu, you can think of when it can be opened? No, let's think
सर
of
वो जैसे मैंने बोला था कि पहले नहीं वाला कर लेते, तो उसमें सर वो बोल रहे हैं जैसे कि 6 मंथ बाद ओपन होगा, तो फिर उस पे पॉइंट्स दे रहे हैं। तो सर वैसे में फिर क्या है?
तो तुम उनको एग्री करो ना, तुम भी तो उनके लड़ रहे हो, तो वो तुम्हारे साथ लड़ेंगे। I told you that you are also in the fighting mode actually. You are not in compromising mode. So they will not accept you as a leader. आपको उनको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा पहले। वही मैं शुभम तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ, बोलने का तरीका होता है। ओके, डन विनय, व्हाट पॉइंट यू गिव इज वेरी गुड। Agreed, Vinay. I agree to your point. But Vinay, will you listen to my point also now? I agreed. What you said is agreed. But think, Vinay, now can this also be there? ये तो होता है लीडर यार। Leader is not the person who will fight with somebody and put his point on him. It is not that way. You are to get yourself accepted by accepting others also. Show interest to others' logics. Show the point in their discussion. कि उनके points में क्या अच्छी बात थी वो accept करो। And अपना पॉइंट भी रखो फिर। This is how discussion goes. This is how it goes.
डिस्कशन के पहले आपने बोला कि आप दूसरों को कट नहीं करना चाहिए, तो अभी हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कब कट कर रहे कब नहीं कर रहे?
नहीं, ये तो हर कोई बोलता है डिस्कशन से पहले कट नहीं करना चाहिए, और तुम कट करते भी हो, फिर वो तुम्हें रोकता भी है। This all keeps on going. Don't worry. But you know, you need to maintain proper discussion. That is what all I can say is, Vamsi, you need to speak more. That's it.
Yes sir, इसलिए कट कर रहा हूँ करके लग रहा था, इसलिए एंटर नहीं कर रहा था ज्यादा।
नहीं, उसको कट करना नहीं बोलते हैं। See, when somebody is talking and you are taking his sentence forward, it is not called cutting. Cutting is when you are not at all talking about what he is saying. So suppose Vinay is saying something and you are taking the sentence of Vinay forward. It is not called cutting. It is called continuation. And you should know that art actually. No, Rituraj is talking something else and Vinay is talking something else, and you are moving in different direction, parallel sentences. That is called cutting. I'm not listening. But if somebody is speaking something and I'm attentively listening to him, and I'm just cutting him through his own logic, through asking question to him, it is not called cutting. It is called discussion. Cutting and discussion, there is a difference. You need to listen to others very attentively, and you need to make him silent through logic and listening to him. Okay, done. Dheeraj, very good point, Dheeraj, you have given. But may I ask you, Dheeraj, can we make this way? Can we make this way? This is how you have to add actually. तो जो आदमी बोल रहा है ना, उसकी बात सुनो, listen to him, and then add to his point or subtract for something from his point and move forward. That is what you have to do.
और बीच में सचिन ने लाइक डिसएग्री कर रहा था, बाकी सब लोग उसको समझाने गए थे, तो उस टाइम पे एंटर करने के लिए कुछ पॉइंट है ही नहीं, बिकॉज वो वीक था लाइक सचिन का पॉइंट, तो उस समय कैसे एंटर करना है?
See, you can always give your own point. You can always say, see, let's not deviate from the topic. So we have many more things to add here. So you can add many more things. No, you can bring new dimensions to the discussion. Why you are sticking only to one point?
सर अगर हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, मतलब जैसे मैंने अगेंस्ट में बोला है, तो ग्रुप मतलब डिस्कशन के बीच में क्या मैं अपना स्विच कर सकता हूँ एक कंसेंसस पे पहुंचने के लिए?
एक सबसे बड़ा गलती तुम लोगों में है कि तुम इंट्रोडक्शन में कंक्लूजन दे रहे हो। जैसे बहुत से लोगों ने बोल दिया कि खुलने चाहिए इन द इंट्रोडक्शन इटसेल्फ, कईयों ने बोला नहीं खुलने चाहिए इन द इंट्रोडक्शन इटसेल्फ। डू यू थिंक इंट्रोडक्शन इज द प्लेस वेयर यू शुड कम टू द कंक्लूजन?
One question here I want to ask. Yesterday, like GD, yes, you sir. Said like some question mark GD when come, we have to like give our opinion either yes or no, yes or either in between. So that's why we given this type
Yes, sir.
of
That's why I also
referring to
given that.
But the point is, in this kind of case, opinion may not be yes and no always. In those
Okay,
kind
so
of topics, if you tell me the topic, I will tell you yes, opinion should be given. Like
sir,
I give
जैसे-
you the example. Can women be good drivers? Now this is the topic where you have to agree to this, and then entire discussion should go in that direction. So if you have decided that you will take discussion in one particular direction, then you give in the introduction itself. You know, can India be greatest economy in the world? So you can give your opinion, but then entire discussion should go in that opinion. If you are not very clear whether it should be yes or no, then you don't give your answer in the introduction. You keep it on parameters. Okay, friends, it can be, I told you, 3 directions. What I said, it can be 3 directions. That is the answer. Out of these 3 sections, you are choosing only one. That is the point actually. Somebody saying yes, open. Somebody saying not open. Why can't you say yes, it can be open, it can not be open, it can be partially open, depending upon where you are, what is the situation. Now, what is the trouble in that? In some topic, when this classification is not possible, in some topics, can the life come to normalcy after COVID? This is the topic. Yes, I'm very sure, I'm optimistic it will come to normalcy. Can we say no, let's divide in 3 parts. It can come to normalcy, it may not come to normalcy, it can be, it is not that way. So it depends on the topic actually. And once you have taken, okay, it should be open, then you need to justify it. And in between you come to no, you were wrong actually. Then you are in embarrassing situation. That is how it goes. Isliye in these kind of topics you should not do that. Right?
तो अगर इन बिटवीन कन्वर्सेशन में अपना ओपिनियन चेंज कर सकते हैं क्या कि नो से यस में, मतलब कंसाइज
वो एम्बेरेसिंग हो जाता है, कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कर सकते हैं अगर तुम्हें लग जाए तुम ड्रास्टिकली गलत हो गए थे, इसीलिए इंट्रोडक्शन केयरफुली देना। कर सकते हैं लेकिन दैट इज नॉट गुड।
सर आपने मेरा फीडबैक नहीं दिया था सर शायद।
दे मैंने बताया तुम्हें कि यू कैन विनय, यू आर स्पीकिंग, यू आर नॉट असर्टिव, यू आर नॉट रूड, यू आर नॉट, आप इन सब के बीच में हो, मतलब आप बोल भी रहे हो, यू आर नॉट एज म्यूट एज अदर्स आर, एंड यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग दैट मच एट अदर आर स्पीकिंग। सो इस ग्रुप में 3 ही तरह के लोग हैं, एक जो बहुत बोल रहे हैं लेकिन वो इनफॉर्मल बोल रहे हैं, एक जो बिल्कुल कम बोल रहे हैं, और एक जैसे जो आपका है, आप बोल रहे हैं, फॉर्मल बोल रहे हैं, आपका थोड़ा सा कम है, एंट्री कम है, लेकिन विनय थोड़ा सा एंट्री बढ़ाओ उसकी, द रेस्ट इज ओके। चलो, आई नीड टू एंड इट अप हियर ओनली एंड देन वी मीट अगेन। इसका फीडबैक अच्छे तरीके से इसको रिवाइज कर लेना। दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स आर ओनली कमिंग, राइट? थैंक यू।